Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's part 3, 4, 5, whatever. I'm still messing with the damn transmission. So, in the past videos, I had issues with it popping out first and second gear. Made a hole in the side of the transmission, adjusted it. That fixed it for a couple months, and then stuff went bad again. So, what pretty much happened was, all the synchro gear teeth blew off because the company that I got it from, they like knocking off every couple sets of teeth. Supposedly it shifts faster. I know the Mitsubishi guys, they were knocking off every other teeth or tooth to get it shift faster. Weakens it, but you shift faster, so plus or minus for like a NA 2 liter or 2 liter plus, or maybe even a small turbo to VW motor. Type 1 trans with this stuff would be fine. With the ARC-7 power plant, making 5-6 times what factory was, yeah, doesn't last. So what I did was I had a spare case, also leftovers from shit blowing up, as you can tell. Got holes in it, and I was doing the stuff, so I don't feel bad for cutting it in half. So then some Harbor Freight tools, got your grinder, their discs and whatnot. You got a access window, and now you can get to all the shift forks. So here's your first and second, where I made the hole in the other trans. Here's your third and fourth, and here's your reverse. I also use their Harbor Freight sanding cartridge. No, I am not sponsored by them, but their stuff's cheap, so I keep buying it, and it works okay. To bore out the bearing here, that way I don't have to sit there and press this in and out. So hog that out a little so it slides right on. There's your gear sets. So pretty much now I have my own adjuster. Now it does vary year to year, or not year, no, model to model, sometimes or year to year, that the bearing size has changed. So this may not work for every Type 1 transmission. That's why the jigs had different inserts. Once again, I don't have the $500 for a jig. I would rather buy an eBay turbo or some other crapola to make the car go faster. But if you got spare parts, hey, make your own little clever jig for adjusting the forks. Since I didn't screw with the third and fourth gear, I don't think it's a real issue, but just in case, you know, I'm going to double check everything before I slap it back together. And the nut that came loose on the back here, this monstrosity, as you see, it could move depending where your depth is set. So mine is set pretty deep into the bearing, so that allowed a lot of play. The nut came loose, the bearing race slid up, and then the whole gear set was moving up and down. So I might throw an actual tack weld on it because race car. So that's what I got going on. Now I could adjust it. I just need to put the nut on that, make sure everything's tacked down, run it through the gears, make sure everything works good, and should be good. So that's what's going on right now. Just trying to button it up after I get it selected. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit like, dislike, leave a comment. I will see you guys later.